Hey guys, Dudley here again at Raptor. We have another one of these beautiful supercharged Jaguars in. Now this is something you might want to check out on yours. It's the air intake pipe, okay? And what happens to them over time is they actually become very old and brittle due to the amount of times this has gone hot, cold, this piece of plastic. And on the underside, where you can't see with it installed on the car, behind the Jubilee clip, it's completely split, okay? So that is going to create an air intake leak, bypassing some crucial sensors, and also all the crumbling debris is going to go in your engine. So if you don't recognise this pipe, it sits here, it joins the throttle body into this large T-piece that goes to the left hand and right hand air filter. And with this leaking air, it basically bypasses these mass airflow sensors, which are crucial for the engine to run correctly, and it's also bypassing the air filters, so you're getting unfiltered air into your engine. Not only that, but if it's crumbling quite badly like this one, check this out, right into your engine, you're getting bits of old horrible plastic getting sucked in. So when the engine's running and you accelerate, this valve opens and that's sucking the air into the engine, along with anything that crumbles off and falls into there, which we do not want. If your car's suffering from this, the good news is we have this available on our online shop, and it's a nice easy install. We offer global shipping and installation in-house at our workshop in the Midlands, UK. If you haven't already, please do click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all sorts of car related content from us at Raptor. We like to do a weekly video, so I hope you'll tune in with us next Wednesday at midday for the next video from Raptor. Stay up to date with lots of car related content, new parts, new events. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Thanks for watching. Remember to click that subscribe button. See you on the next video every Wednesday midday, making your Wednesday a little bit less boring.